Meaning of heavyset.
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 Heavyset. The term heavyset generally refers to someone who is large or overweight. When describing a person, it can indicate that they have a broad and sturdy build, often with a significant amount of body fat. This term may also be used to describe the appearance of objects that are large and weighty. In 84 words, it can be summarized that being heavyset generally means having a large and overweight body shape, often characterized by a broad and sturdy build with a significant amount of body fat, or referring to the appearance of objects that are large and weighty.